Good morning, everybody. I just want to welcome you first to Loadtraining. Brokering is all about miles and money. You need an opportunity to quote. The majority of the freight that moves around is vans, flats, and reefers, and that's what we're going to concentrate on. We want our shippers to pay in 21 days, and then we pay the trucks in 30 days. What's most important to a shipper is availability of a truck. Price is second. Backhauler is the bread and butter of a broker.
The carriers that actually quote you today will not be the carriers who haul the freight. The object of posting a load is to get as much market information from carriers as possible. And what it's going to tell you is how much you're willing to pay for part of that truck's trailer. You want to get a quote that doesn't have a lot of the extras on there, just to get a base rate. 3 machines. One machine is 10 feet long, the other 2 machines are 17 feet long each. One pick, one drop, driver no touch, no tarp. Weighs 20,000 pounds, pays $1,300. Is that gonna work for you? We're kind of zeroing in on $1,500 as a market, aren't we? You as a broker live in the backhaul because outhaulers generally will not negotiate rates. Every single order that I get from my shipper, I go through this very same process.
In brokering, whoever makes a mistake pays.
There are 3 different levels of negotiation that occur on virtually every load. Keep in mind, you guys that have trucks, train your drivers on how to use a bill of lading. You're going to avoid many, many claims. Some of you have no experience, but believe me, I'm going to make a voluntary claims resolver out of you. So you're not going to go to court very often because you're resolving these claims at your desk. At this moment, when you've got 2 commitments, is this a legally binding contract? Absolutely. 2 out of every 10 loads you do will involve a renegotiation.
In order to broker, you have to have a license. So if you guys want to go today and apply for your license this evening, go online and do it.